Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can transfer money from MCB to RIA Money Transfer. So if you're interested, let's jump right in. To send money from your MCB account to a recipient via RIA Money Transfer, start by logging into your MCB internet banking account using your credentials. If you haven't registered for online banking yet, you can do so through MCB's official website or by visiting a nearby branch. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfers and Payments section and select Foreign Currency to Another Bank, or the equivalent option for international transfers. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on their official ID, choose the destination country, and input the amount you wish to send. If available, specify RIA Money Transfer as the payout method or include instructions that the funds are to be collected through RIA. Carefully review the exchange rate, transaction fee, and all details for accuracy before confirming the transaction. Once the transfer is completed, you will receive a transaction reference number or PIN code. You must share this code with the recipient, who can then collect the money from any RIA Money Transfer location in their country by presenting a valid ID and the code. The transfer usually takes up to 4 business days to process,